Hey guys, so I liked to play outside a lot as a kid, and I still love going outside today as an adult, which means that I have a lot of dark blemishes on my skin from the sun, and my skin is naturally dry. So I was looking for something to help with that, and I discovered that sweet orange actually helps to lighten dark spots and moisturize your skin, on top of helping you to feel happy when you smell it. So I've been adding that to my daily skincare routine by combining it with the face oil. I usually add to my skin and then I rub it into my palm so it's nice and mixed up, and then pat it right onto my face. And I really press it in, and then it just helps to make everything feel really soft. And it does make my skin feel like it's nice and glowing. It helps to catch the light, and I even add some to my chest as well. So if you guys have trouble with that too, I highly recommend it.